Hello students, welcome to Show Sir classes. So in today's video we will be talking about a question from mathematical statistics. So the question goes like this: an owner of a small hotel with 5 rooms is considering buying television sets to rent to room occupants. He expects that about half of his customer would be willing to rent sets, and finally he buys 3 sets, assuming 100% occupancy at all times. What fraction of the evenings will there be more requests than TV sets? Now, in order to solve it, what we have to do is first write down, let the random variable x denote the daily number of requests now then required probability, then the required probability will be equals to p x is greater than equals to 4, which is equals to p x is equals to 4 plus p x is equals to 5, which is equals to 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 5 plus 5 1 by 2 to the power 5. So this way we can write the question of this. We can find what fraction of evening will there be more requests than TV sets. The answer will be this. So in today's video we solve a question from mathematical statistics. So if you have any query or doubt or suggestion, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076. Or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrobsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed to crack various exams regarding mathematical statistics. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.